This episode of Grounded in Maine is sponsored by ESG Review. ESG Review magazine is published quarterly in February, May, August, and November, and is available for free in print and digital formats. ESG Review is devoted to environmental, social, and governance strategies, technologies, and investments. ESGreview.net is updated every Wednesday with 8 new stories and is home to feature articles, news items, and more. Visit esgreview.net to stay informed and help us spark the collaboration and awareness needed to develop sustainable economies and communities around the world.
There's a place where there's no trouble, no more pain, no more struggle.
Grounded in Maine podcast is an open conversation about how we show up for the world. I started this podcast out of a desire to learn new ways to be sustainable because the word sustainability is big. It can be overwhelming, and I just wanted to learn, different ways to try to be part of the solution and not feel like it's too late. So I'm talking to people who are doing different things and learning so much. I hope you are too. Oops. Hi. Thank you so much for listening to Grounded in Maine today. This is a short one today. Sorry, give me some light. I had a guest that had to cancel, so you just get me today. But I just wanted to say, I am so grateful for the people that I've met through podcasting, through the people that I've met through this podcast. The guests that I've had, the people that I've been connecting with through social media, and I just I'm just a whole lot of grateful right now with everything going on in my life and how busy I am. This is sort of keeping me grounded. This is keeping me grounded to have this weekly podcast. And I just wanted to say how excited I am for this. So this is coming out on Tuesday, the 24th, I think. The 24th, I think, is the Tuesday. No, the 25th. Tuesday, the 25th. This is coming out on Tuesday, the 25th. And on the 26th, Wednesday, I am hosting, so my menopause panel that I've been talking about since October, or I guess I mentioned it in November. Or maybe December, but in my end of year episode. So it's been a good 6 months at least that I've been talking about this. And so finally I decided I'm just going to pull the trigger and I'm going to do it. So I have, I think I might have like 6 women right now who have signed up to be on next Wednesday. So I'm probably going to end up splitting that into 2 weeks because that's going to be a lot. And it'll probably be long. So prepare yourselves, y'all. And I also just wanted to put out a request. If anybody has a male person who would be willing to be on the panel as well, I would love to speak with some male folks to talk about their menopause experience by witnessing what is going on their end. So if you know of anybody, or if you are somebody who would be willing to do that, please have them contact me, or please contact me, because I have not. I don't know if this is on purpose, but I'm not having a lot of men sign up for this. And women are all too happy to talk about it, of course, but I would love to hear what it's like on the other side. This is supposed to be to bring to light menopause and how it's experienced and how differently it's experienced for everyone, and to be like aware of how people are in the world. We're all having this different experience, it's the same, but it's different for everybody. And we just need to be kind to each other and just be understanding and have conversations and try try to roll with it and not just, trade someone up or just pull the rug out from under them. How about that? Anyway, I would love to have some male input on this, and so please send them my way. And I am really, really looking forward to this. Some of these folks I've spoken to, some of them I have had on the podcast. And so some people that you'll recognize maybe, and some people I definitely recognize. There are a couple of new people that I have not spoken to or had a relationship with of some sort. So I'm interested to hear how this will go, and I'm excited to finally get to this point where I get to have a voice in the matter and just like expose this for what it is. And it's not like a warning, but just like so you are not broken. If you are having any of these experiences, you are not broken. Just be mindful that this could all be part of menopause, because pretty much everything is part of menopause when you reach the middle age. But I don't want my experience to be someone else's experience. I want my experience to enlighten somebody so that they do not feel like I did. So we can be proactive, so we can be part of the conversation, so we can be empowered by what is happening and by the understanding and the knowledge that we're gaining, because there is not a lot of medical conversation about it. We need to take that into our own hands. And so I am, by this panel, just sharing experiences and sharing knowledge so that other people will not feel so alone, so broken, so heartbroken. So I hope that you guys will listen to this. I hope that you will enjoy it. I hope you'll get something out of it. I hope that you will share it when it comes out. But I just wanted to give that little heads up. And again, looking for males, because I really want to understand it from their perspective. So please help me with that. And if you where am I going with this thought? But anyway, I have some other great episodes coming up. I hope that you've enjoyed the last few, because oh my gosh, they've been so good. Not that the others were not, but I'm just like, I'm so energized by all of this. And I'm grateful for that, because, life is hard. Life is very lifey and hard. And this has been really keeping me going and giving me something to look forward to. And also, just a heads up, I'm going to be moving. I don't have a date yet, but I'm going to be moving, and I might take a couple weeks off of podcasting while I get everything set up. So just a heads up on that as well. And like I said, I don't have a date yet, but hopefully soon. And I think that's all I have. So thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'm just really looking forward to this. It's been a long time in the works, and I've been scared, and I've been waiting because I knew I was moving and things were really busy. And I was like, maybe I'll wait until I'm settled, but it does not seem to be happening right away. So I'm doing it. So there. So anyway, thank you again. I hope you guys have a great week, and talk to you soon. I just want to take a moment to thank Buzzsprout for hosting this podcast, for Jane Bolduc for her amazing music genius, and for Rebecca Coffron and her beautiful artwork for this podcast. And I also would like to thank you for listening. I appreciate it more than you know. I will talk to you next time.
There'll come a day, my mama told me, when I find love to have and hold me, a heart that's strong and so sincere. Just tell me, how do I get there from here? Oh, tell me, how do I get there from here? gate of grace has finally found me. Well, there'll be music, ooh, and good friends around me, yeah, yeah. And I'll just smile through happy tears and wonder